An earthquake 7.0 magnitude shook province of ABRA this morning in the Philippines. 7.0 magnitude earthquake hit ABRA, felt in Metro Manila. A magnitude 7.0 earthquake hit ABRA province Wednesday morning, and was felt in Metro Manila and nearby provinces. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology earlier measured the tectonic quake at 7.3 magnitude, but revised it to 7.0 magnitude. According to PhilUlts, the quake was recorded 3 kilometers west-northwest of Tayum town at 8:43 a.m. That quake had a depth of 17 kilometers. The Philippines is regularly rocked by quakes due to its location on the Pacific Ring of Fire, an arc of intense seismic activity that stretches from Japan through Southeast Asia and across the Pacific Basin. Wednesday's quake was the strongest recorded in the Philippines in years. Old churches in the birthplace of Catholicism in the Philippines were badly damaged. Nearly 400,000 were displaced and tens of thousands of houses were damaged. The earthquake felt on nearby places like Baguio City, Benguet, Vigan City and some part of Metro Manila, Philippines. One reported killed in Benguet due to quake. One person was reportedly killed following the magnitude 7 earthquake that struck ABRA and other areas in Luzon, including Metro Manila, on Wednesday morning. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council said. According to NDRRMC spokesperson Mark Timbal, a construction worker in La Trinidad, Benguet, was reportedly killed due to fallen debris. The information is still being checked by the local government, said Timbal. The earthquake, which was felt at 8:43 a.m. and was tectonic in origin, caused no damage to dams in the affected regions, Timbal added. Here's some video footage of some places where the earthquake happens.